Hey everyone, today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Boss audio system amplifier install kit. Basically, you just need this if you're installing any sort of amp or powered amp into your car. So this is what the box looks like. I got an 8 gauge. There's various gauges, the size of the wire. And here's a quick rundown of what's in the box and a wire diagram if you need it. So first off, I'm going to open the box. Here's some blue wire, and this is the 16-foot remote turn-on wire. And they'll give you some buttons and stuff to hook on there. Some zip ties, some rubber grommets. Basically everything you need to connect the wires properly. You got a full bag of that stuff. Some zip ties. This is just some loom tubing, just to protect your wires if you're going through your firewall or basically anywhere you risk stripping your wire. And here's some RCA cables, high performance. So you get 2 of them, and 20 feet in length total. And the next is your 20 feet of red 8 gauge high current superflex power cable. They're gold plated and water resistant. And this is just some speaker wire. And this is your AGU fuse holder.